Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO C55. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to set it up. Just click on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, tap on OK. And then select Close in white pop-up at the top. Following that, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. It's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide on POCO. Select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code to scan it. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Now just tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!